I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Action CompanyHub. Give here the subdomain and API key. So please visit the CompanyHub subdomain and API key. Generate API key. Give here a meaningful name. Done. Copy the API key and subdomain. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to the CompanyHub site and contact. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the CompanyHub site. Thanks for watching.